Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of Pinoy in Australia. So today guys, we're going to discuss how to operate the other features, or how to use the diagnostic features of these WOW tools, scan tools. So these are WOW Wurth, made by Wurth company. This is what we're going to discuss right now. So someone had sent me a message and asking how to update the scan tools, this WOW Wurth scan tools, and they also asking how to access the other module of the vehicle using these diagnostic tools. So let me show you guys how to do those things. Okay guys, once you have managed to connect your Wurth scan tool to your vehicle, and you already established the communication between the scan tools and vehicle, so the first thing you need to do is, see this button here guys, this diagnostic button. That is the button where you can find the other module of the vehicle guys. So you click this one and you can see this powertrain. So powertrain, that's where you can find the ECM of the engine and the ECM of the transmission. So see, gearbox and engine system. So if you're going to diagnose the transmission module, just the transmission module, you go here. And you would like to diagnose just the engine, you go here. Then let's press again the diagnostic button. You can see the chassis. So here you can find the suspension, that is the airbag module. So if your vehicle have an airbag, that's where you can find the module of the airbag. So once you press that one, it will diagnose the module of the vehicle, of the airbag module of the vehicle. Then this one, that's your brakes, that's your ABS. So once you press that one, the scan tools will diagnose the brake system. So let's try to press the brakes. So OBD2. So once you press that one, it will diagnose the ABS, ESP, so whatever module is attached on your brake system. Then on the safety, that's where you can find your airbag and immobilizer. So once you press this one, it will diagnose the airbag system, and once you press this button, the immobilizer, it will diagnose your immobilizer module. And let's go to the other module. And service. So yeah, here, this is the place where you want to go if you want to diagnose if there's something wrong with your instrument panel, because the instrument panel in some vehicle, it has its own module, it has its own computer. So if you press service, so that means you would like to diagnose the vehicle. Same thing with when you press the instrument cluster, it will lead you to the same procedure. Then comfort. So this is where you can find your air conditioning system. So once you press this one, there is your AC system. So you need to find out guys whether your vehicle is equipped with AC system. So usually if that thing is not highlighted, it means that your vehicle is not equipped with AC system with some kind of intelligent computer. So in some vehicle, the AC module is connected on the CAN line. In some vehicle, they have the old school design of AC system. But for example, this EBCO, the EBCO uses a CAN line to communicate with the AC system. So the AC system has its own computer module. So tachograph, immobilizer is also here, auxiliary heating, and instrument panel, central electronic unit. So central electronics unit, that is your, in daily we call it BCM. That is your BCM. That's your body control module. Okay, so that's your comfort. So function. So you have the activation and calibration. So if you're going to do a troubleshooting, guys, so in general terms, they use it bidirectional capability of the vehicle. So this is the bidirectional capability of these scan tools. So it can command to the output component of the vehicle. So let's click this one. So auxiliary heating, glow heater, start charge vehicle, starting charge vehicle activation, vehicle fan activation. So if you press this one, it will the scan tool will give command to the fan to operate. So if you're troubleshooting the fan, this features, guys, very helpful, guys, because if you press that button and the fan works, it means your circuit from the module going to the fan is good. So you're going to check the other circuit of the fan system. So airbag, warning lights, what else, warning on the disabling passenger, so you can test the lights. So you will determine whether the globe or there's a problem with your circuit. Okay, then we have instrument panel. So let's scroll up this screen. So we can also give command to operate the scan tool to operate the ABS warning light, warning lamp, all those warning lamp that you can see in the dashboard. Then so central electronic unit, so that is the BCM. So you can give command to the scan tools, to the diagnostic tool, to activate the following component, like the brake light, buzzer, central locking, unlocking. So you will know whether there is a problem with the motor or there's a problem with the electrical. So if you put test light and you see the lights come on during pressing the central locking, it means there's a problem in your motor. Okay, the other is emergency light, LED, front middle courtesy light, So you can give command to all those components, guys. The scan tools will turn on all those components once you give them a command. That's for Central Electronic Control Unit. So that is your BCM. So parking light, number plate light, because all this component is connected to the BCM. So those are the components that you can give command. Under the immobilizer, you can give command to turn on the immobilizer lamp. And in the engine system, so in the engine system, see that here's the engine system. You can give command to the compressor relay because the compressor is being operated by the engine system. Cooling fan relay. So you can also give command to the cooling fan. So if you're troubleshooting the fan, and if you give command to the fan relay, and the fan automatically works once the scan tools turn it on. So it means that your circuit from the engine control module going to the fan is good. So you need to check the other part of the circuit. Diesel, what's this? Filter heater relay. So diesel filter heater relay. So this is the component that make the heater, make the diesel warm. So this feature is available on those vehicles that is designed for cold country that have weather climate, winter weather climate. So you can also give command on the fuel pump relay. So for example, you would like to measure the pressure of the fuel system. You put a pressure gauge on the fuel line, and you want to do, for example, you would like to do a fuel injector performance test. So what you do is you put your fuel gauge, and you have these tools that activate the injector in a certain time, and you will find whether the injector is working properly. So you need to build a pressure on the fuel system. So you can use this feature, guys. You can press that fuel pump relay. Once you press that one, automatically it will. So once you press that fuel pump relay, the computer will give signal or will give command to the circuit of the fuel pump to operate, and the system will build up pressure, and now you can do your injector test. So this is very handy, guys, very helpful, guys. So the other one is the glow plug relay. So you can test your glow plug using this console also. You can do it bidirectionally by using these scan tools. What is this? Preheating lamp only in vehicle equipped with the multiplex. So those are the bidirectional capability of these diagnostic tools, guys. So these features, guys, is very helpful, guys, when it comes to troubleshooting, guys. So as you can see in the screen, there are lots of components that you can give command. So during troubleshooting, you will determine whether there is something wrong in the component or in the wiring harness. So, okay guys, if you're going to update this diagnostic tools, guys, see this button here, guys. See that one? That is the update button of your scan tools of this Wurth diagnostic tool. So you press that button. Most important, guys, your laptop supposedly connected to the internet, guys. So it's supposedly connected to the network, guys. So once you press that one, it will bring you to update page. So all you need to do is to follow the instruction. And one cool features on this diagnostic, guys, is it got guided diagnostic. So this is your repair guide, guys. So if you have problem with the vehicle, this will help you how to fix the problem. So for example, you select this one. What are the problem with your vehicle? For example, we have engine will not start. So you press this one, and it will give you procedure how to fix the problem. For example, it says here, attempt to start the engine. Does the engine crank? So you will answer, for example, it crank. You press it yes. Then it will give you another step. So the next question is the ambient temperature below 5 degrees centigrade? So let's say no. Then it will give you another step and says access diagnostic trouble codes. Are trouble codes recorded? So for example, you hook up your you already hook up the scan tools, guys, right? Then we have able to recover a fault code. Then we will say yes. So there's also some kind of information here. I said the engine control module fault memory can be accessed and erased using diagnostic equipment connected to the data link connector. So let's say yes. So yes, yep, yes. So it brings us another page. It says locate the trouble code in the table below. Note the fault location and probable cause. Do you want to check the component? Let's say yes. So here you can write down the trouble code and find and display. So it will search you. It will search the fault code, I think, online, and it will give you what's the meaning of the fault code. So I haven't tried this one, guys. So let's say yes. Let's say yes to this question. If you press this yes, so it will give you the procedure how to test a component. Like for example, preheating system, that's your glow plug. It will give you what value of resistance you should get. So what voltage? So those are the steps how to check those components, guys. So even the pressure, electric pump, how much should be the pressure during engine cranking. And there's also a mechanical pump, electric pump, yep. So there's also some kind of resistance value to check the injectors. So there are also procedure how to test the fuel temperature sensor. So these are the resistance, and that is the equivalent temperature. For example, the temperature during the time that you're going to measure the fuel temperature sensor is, for example, 25 degrees. We're supposed to get this kind of reading, guys. So also on fuel rail pressure, guys, there's also a procedure on how to check it. So it's telling you that earth ignition on, you need to get a 0 volt. Then supply ignition on should get 5 volts. Then on signal wire you should get 0.5 volts. On the signal light during idling you should get 1.2 volts. And intra 3000 RPM you should get 2 volts. So it gives you how to test the component, guys. So I hope this video, guys, is helpful to you guys. So explore your Wurth scan tool, guys. So there are lots of cool features included in this scan tools. So this is very helpful when it comes to troubleshooting European vehicle, guys, because this scan tools is made in Europe. It's made by Wurth company. Wurth is a German, as far as you know, Wurth is a German company, guys. So Wurth is very well known product, guys, and they also do make the heaps of model of diagnostic tools, guys. But this scan tools, guys, this Wurth is the most cheapest model of scan tools that you can buy from them. So they are much more expensive and much more very easy to use and very helpful to use when it comes to troubleshooting, guys. But those scan tools is a little bit more expensive or more expensive, guys. So you can check their site if you want to buy Wurth scan tools. So for me, guys, Wurth is one of the best diagnostic tools that you can find in the market, guys. So the counterpart of this one is, the Boss diagnostic tools, guys. Boss is also a European design diagnostic tools, guys. They are good for diagnosing European vehicle, as far as I know, guys. I hear this is very cool when it comes to diagnosing like Volkswagen, guys. So I have friends in overseas, and most of the vehicles there, guys, are made of Europe, European, like Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes-Benz. They are using these Boss scan tools. It's also one of the best European diagnostic tools, guys. As far as I know, guys, Boss is European diagnostic tools. If I just correct me if I'm wrong, guys. But as far as I know, Boss is a European company. So see those information, guys, give you how much resistance, how much voltage, what are the conditions where you need to test the component. So for example, this one, engine sensor, engine coolant temperature sensor, guys. See, it says here, for example, we go into test the sensor at 0 degrees centigrade, you're supposed to get 6,000 ohms. So there is a guide how to check those component, guys. So this scan tools is very helpful, guys, when it comes to troubleshooting, guys. Okay, guys, correction, guys, I commit mistake explaining this one, guys. So if you go here, if you click the diagnostic and you go here in service, these two features, guys, is not intended for diagnostic, guys. This is intended for resetting the service. For example, you do the service or change oil. If you click that button, you need to inform the computer that you did change oil, guys, because this particular model of vehicle, guys, it's equipped with DPF, diesel particulate filter, guys. So every time you do the change oil, you need to reset the computer and tell the ECM that you replace the engine oil. Because if you don't do it, guys, sooner the warning light will comes on the dashboard of the vehicle, and it will tells you that you need to change oil the vehicle, even you just replace the engine oil. So what happened here, guys, is the vehicle is counting how many times the DPF did a self-regeneration. So once it did the self-regeneration in a certain number, it will tell to the owner of the vehicle that it needs to change oil, guys, because the engine oil is contaminated with diesel. So if you keep using the vehicle, it will damage the engine, because the quality of the engine oil is already bad, because it's already contaminated with the diesel fuel during the regeneration, guys. So the place where you need to go if you're going to diagnose the instrument panel, guys, is you need to go to the diagnostic. You need to go to where is it? Here, guys. Instrument panel is here. That is the place where you can diagnose the module of instrument panel, guys. So that's the cluster, guys, because in this particular model, guys, the cluster has its own module, guys. So central, let me make clear to you, guys, that central electronic unit is your BCM, guys, the body control module, guys, because they call them central electronic unit because the OBD2 is connected to the BCM, and all the other module is connected to this modules, guys. So it's like it's like some kind of gateway. That's why they call it central electronic unit. Then so let's go to the function, guys. See, so we had explored this active calibration, guys. So let's go to so this is the bidirectional capability of the vehicle. The calibration is different, guys. It's some kind of resetting, guys. For example, level sensor calibration, that is your airbag. So if you need to calibrate the module, guys, that's where you need to go. Central electronic unit, K programming, So this one is have a capability of programming, changing the number of keys. If you lose your keys, you can replace it on this section, guys. So you can replace the keys and the remote control. So this is your oil change also, guys. You can go here. Then, so change air mass meter. So if you're going to replace the component, you need also to inform the computer that you replace the component. So this is your component replacement section, guys. So if you replace those components, guys, you need to inform the ECM or the BCM or what part of the ECM the computer that the component that you have replaced. So in the engine system, if you replace this component, guys, like the air mass meter, so that is your mass airflow sensor, differential change differential pressure sensor, guys, that is your sensor in the DPF. So it monitor the difference pressure between the inlet and the outlet of the DPF. So that's how the computer knows that there is a massive carbon or blockage in the diesel particulate sensor. So change fuel pressure sensor. So that is the one that connected in the common rail, guys. Monitoring the pressure in the system. So if you replace that one, you need to go to that section. Change particulate filter. Particle filter, that's your particulate filter, guys. Injector code programming. So if you replace your injector, that's where you need to go. You need to inform the computer that you replace the injector by entering the some kind of code written on the body of the fuel injector. So particle filter regeneration. So this is the section where if your DPF is clogged and you need to do a regeneration, that is the section, guys. You need to press that one, and the scan tools or the diagnostic tools will do a force regeneration. So it will unclog the DPF filter. So those are the capability of this diagnostic tools, guys. Let's check again whether we have missed something. So it has capable of calibrating the airbag suspension. It has a capability of programming the car key and the remote control. It has also capability of resetting the change oil. It also have the capability of resetting, inform some kind of coding to tell the ECM that you replace those components, guys. This mass airflow sensor, differential pressure sensor, fuel pressure sensor, change particle filter, that's your particulate filter, injector code programming. So those components, guys, and it can also do it can also perform particulate filter regeneration, guys. So for beginners, guys, this is Cantos is one of the most cheapest diagnostic tools that it can do lots of things. It can do bidirectional features. It can also do programming. It can also do regeneration, guys. It can diagnose the multiple module, guys, like ABS, engine computer, transmission computer, BCM, so whatever is attached on the vehicle. But I'm telling you right now, guys, this vehicle have limitation when it comes to car coverage. This is only very good when it comes to our European vehicle. Okay, guys. I just want to make clear to you guys that this scan tool has the capability of scanning the whole system in one hit. So if you go here, guys, so you can scan the whole system, the ABS, the airbag, the transmission, the engine, ECM in just one press of the button, guys. So as you can see like this, guys, see that normal scan. If you press that one, this will appear, guys, normal scan. So these are all the modules that it will scan. So just play that button, guys, so you will become familiar. So you have the option to scan everything, or it will skip some of the module. So you quick scan, it will skip some of the module that you don't want to scan. And like I showed you earlier, guys, you can scan the module individually. Like for example, if I press this one, I can scan just the airbag, or I can just scan just the immobilizer. So for example, the customer just asked to fix the airbag, the fault code in the airbag. So no need to scan the whole system, just go here, guys. Or if you just need to scan the engine, for example, powertrain, you have a fault code, for example, for oxygen sensor, so you need to concentrate on the engine module. So you just press this button, guys, that engine system, because if you scan all of them, it takes times, guys. Unlike if you're going to scan the engine, it will scan the system in just very short period of time, so you can save time here, guys. So but if you would like to find out the health of the whole system, the health of the vehicle, you need to press this button, guys. So it will scan the whole system. It will tell you the health of the entire vehicle, the all electronic system. So I hope this video answered the question of the follower of our channel that asking how he can scan the other system of the vehicle, like the ABS, the air condition. So this is how you scan it, guys. This is how you use the diagnostic features of this vehicle. And I hope that I answer also the question of one of our follower that asking how to update the scan tool. So that's the button, guys, how to update it. Okay, guys, I just want to make clear to you guys that this video is not sponsored by Wurth company, so the maker of this the maker of this scan tools, the manufacturer of these scan tools. So if Wurth company is watching right now, Christmas is very near. It's already November, few more weeks, and it's already December, going to Christmas. I'm willing to accept your gift for me. Just send me, if you're watching right now, just send me your gift on my channel. Just PM me on my channel, guys, and I'm willing to accept your Christmas gift for me. Okay guys, if you're happy to our video guys, please press the like button. Please press the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Please press the notification bell so you will be notified every time I do a video. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.